What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to, from an image like this, create stickers for your Telegram, for your WhatsApp, for your favorite social media, like this, or maybe like this. So based on your photos, you can create fully customizable stickers with this simple prompt, okay? And then all you have to do is download the sticker for your mobile. This can work into the Gemini, into ChatGPT, into Nano Banana, all for free, and it still works on mobile. So I'm using computer just to serve an example, okay? How to do this? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. First thing, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, all you have to do is go to your ChatGPT. Let's start a new chat. First thing, click on upload photo or files, select the photo. The most important part of your picture is to have your face clear, okay? Then click on plus again, create image. You can use the standard, no needs to be thinking. The instant. You can change the styles in the case that you want, but this is up to you. Then you're gonna need this prompt right here. Let me apply enter and pause the video, take a screenshot and copy the prompt, or let me know into the comments in the case that you need the prompt. I'm gonna send it for you, okay? After, all you have to do is wait, and of course you can change the phrase that appears into this little balloon, okay? For example, in this case gonna be let's go, but if you change the phrase into the cloud, you're gonna be able to see a new words, okay? Simple, right? Now let's wait while we create a new one. I'm creating two, just you can see. And on Nano Banana, the process is pretty much the same, okay? All you have to do is click into the plus button, upload file, select the picture, enter the very same prompt, and wait while the magic happens. But honestly, I do prefer the ChatGPT, okay? The ChatGPT results. While here, let's try to make one on Gemini. Same prompt. Click on plus, upload files, select your picture. On tools, click on create image, and go. As you can see, there is a couple of styles, artistic styles, okay? It may vary to generate different versions, so up to you, okay? You can change Pixar, modern cartoon, classic, Toy Story, art pics, retro art pics. You can choose only one. I just type all so you can choose from, okay? Just like the phrase right here is one example, okay? And here is the result I got from that picture. Seems a nice sticker, in my opinion. Seems good. This looks fancy. This one as well. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.